Hi, my name is Robert. Please read the comments in the About section of this video. It has valuable information and updates. My YouTube channel has a disclaimer video that I encourage you to watch. And please like, share, and subscribe. I hope you found what you're looking for. Thank you very much for watching. Back on these 850s, you got the fuel pump under that panel, which looks like it's been replaced because I see that ground wire connection there. And then out of this little panel is the fuel float that tells you how much gas is actually in the tank. And these things are starting to go bad. I'm starting to get more and more reports of people having issues. So usually you have to let the tank down a little bit to get this out. I'm gonna try to get it out without doing that, but I don't think I'm gonna be able to. It's unscrewed, but I don't know if I can get the cap off without letting the tank down a little bit. Ooh, might come out. Ooh, usually gotta let the tank down. Let me try this a little bit more here. Alright, now I need to find the wires, so gotta take this other access panel off too so you get the wire loose. So here it is, folks. This is the actual float for the fuel level. I was able to pry it out without dropping the tank, but if you want to prevent doing damage to it, you may want to drop the tank a little bit. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.